Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpaper. Then let's tap on change wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose, some albums from which we can choose. At the top we've got my photos, so basically if you've got some photos taken and they are saved in your gallery, you can choose them and set them as a photo. So let me pick something maybe from the textures, it doesn't really matter, but I don't like anything here. Let me go back, maybe art. Alright, we've got this one. Let's simply tap on it, and after tapping on the specific wallpaper you will be able to check it on the full screen. You can also change the position of it. You can also zoom it in or out and decide how it will be applied. So maybe I will apply it something like that. Yeah, I think it's quite nice. You can also check how it will look like on the lock screen. So to confirm, just tap on this tick icon in the right lower corner, and now you can decide whether you want to set it as a lock screen or both home and lock screens. So I'll choose both. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.